At Cow Salon Division, we believe sustainability is an important part of everything we do. Join us now as our Global Director of Sustainability, Dr. Elmar Mussenbrock, chats with Mia Ødegaard, the owner of Salon Balanzera in Oslo, Norway, about how salon owners can be more sustainable-minded every day.
Hi, Mia. Thank you for spending some time with us today to talk about your efforts in running a sustainable salon.
Thank you so much for having me.
Mia, I know that another aspect of your sustainability mission, something that is really important for you, is that you are giving green hairdressing courses for salon owners and stylists. What are these courses about?
The course we offer is mainly for salon owners to teach them the way we work. Since we don't use the regular oxidative colors, we work also in a little bit of a different way. So we show them how they can use the lumen for any kind of color service, not only the creative ones, but also for the natural results and the green coverage. I mean, of course, the gray coverage.
That's nice, green coverage. And I'm sure that way to achieve natural color results is really different and new to most of the hairdressers, because most of our partners only use them for creative colors.
So I think it's also really important for us to share with them what we do to save the environment as good as we can. And also, of course, how we choose to select our products and our brands. So it's in a good circle.
And why are you giving these courses? Is it part of your business model?
No, we do these courses because we see it as our responsibility to share our expertise for the good of the planet. But and by this, we also want to show other salon owners that it's possible and fun to work creatively and also to be eco-friendly at the same time. So we don't charge anything. We don't charge anything to make money on this course. And we only charge our fees and our cover only to cover the costs we have doing them effectively.
I see. And stylists who have done your courses, when they leave, I mean, do they leave as a different stylist, or what do you think?
I think they get some inspiration to be more focused on trying to save the planet, and that's what we hope to achieve with this course. And I think they will maybe in the future try to choose different type of products.
Great. Mia, your salon is in Oslo, so Scandinavia. And I know that in Denmark and in Scandinavia, it's very popular to have this green salon initiative from Denmark. And I know that some of the rules you use in order to select your products at the salon. So is that a good guidance, and does it work only for Scandinavia? Tell us a little bit more about that.
As you said, we follow the guidelines of the Danish certification Green Saloon, which focus on the product formulation and how they might affect the hairdresser, the client, and of course also the environment. I think this is really good because sometimes it's really difficult to judge if a shampoo is good or not. And everything also, you can find it in English on their website. So I think it's for everyone. It's not only for Scandinavia or Europe. You can use it all around the world. And I think that's really nice.
So that means they have a list of products that are listed here. And then you can use them because they are certified by Green Salon, like Illumin.
Yeah, that's right.
Mia, thank you for all your insights and as well for choosing us as your supplier. And I'm sure these insights will help other salons to get going. So please keep going as well with Balanzera, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You too.
For more information about sustainability and other topics, visit Cow Salon Division on Instagram and Facebook and at cowsalondivision.com.